Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stop EDreams Prime. First, you'll need to log into your EDreams account. Use the email address and password you registered with. Once you're logged in, look for your account settings. This is typically found in the top right corner of the home page, often represented by a profile icon or your name. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Next, from the drop-down menu, you'll want to find and click on the option that says My Prime Account or Membership. This will take you to a dedicated page for your Prime subscription details. On this page, look for a section labeled Manage Subscription or My Plan. This is where you'll find the controls for your EDreams Prime membership. Once you've located the Manage Subscription area, you should see a clear button or link to Cancel Subscription or Cancel Membership. Click on this. The system may then present you with a few prompts, possibly asking you to confirm your decision or offering alternatives. Carefully follow these on-screen instructions to finalize your cancellation. After successful completion, you should receive a confirmation email. It's important to note a few things about canceling. Make sure to cancel at least 24 hours before your next renewal date to avoid being charged for another term. Typically, the fee for your current paid subscription period is not refunded. However, you will continue to enjoy all Prime benefits until that paid period officially ends. If you have any issues, contacting customer service is always an option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.